Welcome to our class. Hello. Can you see and hear me?
Yes, I can see and hear you.
All right, that's great. Now, Ben, are you now ready for our class?
Yes.
Let's go, Ben. Okay, today we will learn about, let's read the title, Animal Adaptations.
Animal adaptations.
That's right. Yes, Ben, we can see here animals. What's this? Can you name it? Here we have,
This one is, what is this?
oh, this is seabirds. Or we can also call it Arctic terns. All right, so we will find out. Yes, that's good. Okay, now then, let's match the animal to the place where it lives. Let's have our first activity. That's right. Penguin, yes. A monkey and a fish. Wow, very good. Now, then, let's learn some new words. Okay, we have our first vocabulary, adopt to.
Adopt to.
To change.
To change your behavior so that it's suitable for a new place or
Situation.
situation.
Right, thank you, Van. Very good. Okay, we can see polar bears. Okay, now let's read. Polar bears adopt to
Polar bears adopt to their cold
environment.
environment well because of their
Thick.
thick white fur. It keeps them warm.
Very good. Thank you, Van. Okay, now, Van, let's check the correct answer. How does a chameleon adapt to its environment? Is it A or the first one? It can change. Yes, that is right. Correct. So a chameleon can change its color to hide.
From other animals.
Very good. Now, then we have another vocabulary. Hump.
Hump.
A hump
Around,
is around.
hump around hard part on an animal's or person's back.
Right. Thank you, Van. So we can see here in the picture. Okay. This is the camel's hump. Okay. Around heart.
Can have one or two humps.
That is right. Okay. Camels can have, okay, just like the picture, one or two humps. Now, Van, let's complete the sentence. Mouth or humps?
The humps of a camel help it live for a long time without food and water.
Oh, perfect. Very good. So it's humps. Now, Van, another vocabulary. We have stripe.
Stripe a long,
Narrow.
line that differs in color from the
Surrounding.
surrounding air.
Yes, area. That's right. So look, zebras have stripe, right? Okay, now let's read the sentence. Zebras have
black and white stripes on their bodies.
That's right. Thank you, Van. Very good. Now, Van, which of the two animals has stripes?
The cat.
Yes, correct. Good job. The cat has stripes. Now, another vocabulary, Van. Okay, next we have shelter.
Shelter, a place that protects you from bad weather or danger.
That's right. Thank you, Van. Okay, as we can see here, we have the squirrel.
Squirrels make their
Shelter.
shelter under the ground during winter.
Good job. Very good. Now then, which can be a shelter for birds during winter? Yes, correct. So a birdhouse can be a shelter, okay, for birds during winter. Remember the words that we have, Van, again? What are those? Adapt to, hump, stripe, and shelter. Now, Van, let's learn grammar, okay, about the use of the phrase not only in a sentence. The phrase not only is used
Not only climbs not only run very fast, they can also carry up to 400 pounds on their back. Not only is used to say that more than one thing is true or important about something.
Yes, that is right. Okay, so not only more than one thing is true or important about something. Now, Van, let's complete.
胖子是什么意思？
胖子是重量，
什么重量
？1磅。你举办好也不要
？1磅等于多少千克
？0.6几吧。这没声音呢？
不知道啊。Tiger not only can run, they also can swim.
Yes, correct. So Van used not only to talk about things you do well.
Use not only to talk about things you do well.
Now, Van, can you find the zebra? Okay, we have, okay, let's circle. Okay, this is the zebra here. Yes, that's right, correct. Very good. And here, all right, so we have the zebra. Now let's read the passage, Van. We all know.
You all know that animals live in different habits. But do you know how these animals have
Adapted to
live in their habitats?
That's right. Now, Van, what do you call the place that animals live in? It's called Habitats.
Let me
Type it here.
Habitats.
That's right. Now, then, look, we have the camel here. Okay, now let's read the passage.
Some desert animals have special bodies that have
Adapted.
adapted to the desert habitat. Camels, for example, never worry about food or water. Their humps are filled with fat, which give them
Energy.
and they can survive for a week without water. This helps them to survive in the empty desert.
That's right. Thank you, Van. Now let's answer the question. What are camels' humps used for?
Camels' humps used the camel's humps are filled with fat.
Yes, these humps are filled with fat, which gives them energy. And they can survive for a week without water. That's right. Van, look. What about zebras?
Many animals have changed their colors to adapt
Where?
to their habitats. Zebras, for example, formed black and white strips on their bodies to keep themselves safe. When zebras stand in long grass and don't move, they are much harder to be seen by lions.
That's right. Thank you, Van, for reading me. Now, Van, how did zebras adapt to their habitat? They change.
They change their colors to
Yes, that's right. The zebras change their colors. Yes, to adapt to their habitats. Good job. Now, Ben, look. Look at the seabirds or the Arctic tern.
Some animals migrate from one place to another. They do this to find food, worms, and shelter. One kind of seabird, the Arctic tern,
Migrates. Around.
Around
45,000.
5,000 kilometers from north to south every year.
That's right. Thank you, Van. Good job. Okay, now, Van, why do these animals migrate? They do this.
They do this to find food, worms, and shelter.
Very good. That's right. Now, Van, let's continue. It is only not animals.
Not animals that
adapt to.
their habitats. Humans have also adapted very well. Do you
Yes.
know of any examples of?
Yes, so just like animals, yes, humans adapted to their habitats also. So just like here, the picture, we have the fishermen and farmers. Okay, we have adapted to our habitats or to our communities. Now, then, let's practice. Let's do an activity. Connect the words to the pictures that best describe them. And then we will make sentences about each.
Some animals can adapt to the desert.
Correct. Good job. So we have here. Good job. Next.
The plants have two humps.
Yes. Camels have, yes, two humps. Good job. Stripe.
Stripe. The tiger have stripes.
Yes, tigers have stripes too. Good job. Okay, let me connect it. That's right. And shelter.
Shelter and this one.
Yes.
Yes.
That's right. This animal need shelter too, or the squirrel needs shelter. Good job. Now, then another activity. Thank you for that. Let's continue. Complete the sentences using, okay, the phrase not only to describe how the animals adapt to their environment. Okay, look each picture.
Camels not only have good eyesight, they also can change their color.
Yes, very well said. Correct. Next, monkeys.
Monkeys not mm,
Yes, monkeys not only have long,
strong legs,
yes, long legs,
but also long arms.
correct. Or we could also say, that's right, not only have long tails or long legs, but also have long arms. Next, look at the picture. 3,
Giraffes
giraffes.
not only have long legs, they also have long neck.
Yes, amazing job. That's right, Van. Not only have long legs, but also long necks. Neck. All right. Now, Van, let's correct the statements here. Okay, look at the picture. We have camels. Okay, we have two statements. Choose the right answer.
Thick white fur. Layer of fat under their skin.
Yes,
Black
camel.
black skin that keeps them warm.
Yes. Okay, let me put a check here. It's number 2. And your answer number 3. Zebras have
Zebra have black and white skin.
Yes, zebras have what do you call that? Stripes that make it hard
Mm,
for lions to see them.
yes.
All right. Okay, again, let's read the statements. Camels can not only survive for a week without water, they can also survive for a long time without food. So this is true. Good job. Now the Arctic terns migrate to find food, warmth, and shelter. That is right. And last, zebras have stripes that make it hard for lions to see them. All right. Good job, Van. Okay, now, Van, look. We have a writing preparation. Okay, we can see
我没有按上。
a polar bear. Okay,
Yes.
so how do polar bears adapt to their environment? Right, so we have here some phrases. Okay, thick white fur. So this is layers of fat under their skin and
fur.
black skin that keeps them warm. Okay.
Number one.
All right. So we have the thick white fur. Now, then use these descriptions. Okay.
Adapt to hump, stripe, shelter.
Yes. Okay, you could write a passage, Van, about this after class, okay? All right, that's good. Okay, now, Van, we are almost done with our lesson. But first, let's review what we've learned today. We have 4 keywords.
4 keywords. Adapt to hump, stripe, and shelter.
Yes, good job. And we also learned the grammar, okay, phrase, not only. It is, yes, it is not only animals.
To adapt to their habitats.
Yes, it is not only animals that adapt to their habitats. Yes. All right, so remember the keywords that we've learned, Van. Okay, now let's try to use this keyword first. Oh, keywords or grammar? Okay, let's start with grammar. Okay, let's make our own sentence with the phrase not only.
Not only
Here.
Um,
All right. For example, I can not only dance, but I can also sing. All right. Okay, so remember that phrase, Van? All right. Okay, let me give you your trophy and medal for today, Van. Okay, look. And another star from teacher. Okay, Van, great job in participating and answering the lesson that we have. Congratulations. All right, Van, thank you so much. Bye for now. Be happy, be good, be safe always. Bye-bye. Good night.